Moodle allows us to use a range of different activities that can be marked or graded. The APP courses were originally created with assignments that could be marked manually. Over time, we can develop self-marking assignments or quizzes that the students can undertake in order to be automatically graded, thus saving the teacher some time. I'm going to show you the process we can use to plug these quizzes or assignments into your existing Moodle course. You first need to log into the Primary Teachers Forum on Halo ICT Training. That is where the quizzes will be located. We've already uploaded some into the numeracy section, so I'm going to show you how to get these. We come to the section that says APP numeracy files, and it talks about assessments, quizzes or activities that can be plugged in. If we select that link and go through the folder structure until we find the quiz that we want. Click on the folder link, Using and Applying Maths, Level 4. And there we can see there's two quizzes that have been created. You need to download these to your own computer. Simply click on the link and then save the file in a known location. Once you have downloaded those files from Halo ICT Training, you need to then log on to your own Moodle site that has the APP course already installed. And you can see here I've logged into the numeracy APP course. The next step is to switch editing on, and at the top right hand side you can click on the button that says Turn Editing On. And what we are going to do is replace one of these assignments, these are the manual marked assignments, with the quiz. So the process is to come down to the bottom of the section you are working with, in this case Using and Applying Mathematics, and choose the Add Activity drop down menu, and from there you can select the Hot Potatoes quiz. We're now in the Hot Potatoes quiz page, and we simply click the button Choose or Upload a File. This is the folder structure on your Moodle. We need to upload the file into this section. So we select Upload a File, browse to where you save that download from the Halo ICT training site. Here it is. Click Open, and then upload the file. Now they're only very small files, so it shouldn't take very long. It's already uploaded, and we can see here the zip file that was uploaded. Develop your own strategies for solving problems. It's a two-step process. We need to unzip the file and then OK, and that creates a folder with the quiz inside it. Develop your own strategies for solving problems. Click the link to open that folder, and then look for the HTML file. That's the one that we need. Click Choose, and this is what links the quiz into the assignment. You can see it's put it here in the file name location. You don't need to make any other changes apart from at the bottom we need to select the grade category for this course, for this quiz to go into. Now the quiz is a level 4 using and applying maths. So at the bottom we can select grade category level 4 using and applying maths. Save and return to course. Basically that is it, but we just need to do a couple of tidying up things. If I scroll down to this first section, in fact I'll just shrink it down so I can only see that section. We can see what has happened is it's put this quiz, this Hot Potatoes quiz, at the bottom. I just want to move it so it's in line with the other level 4s. So I'm just going to use this little arrow to click and drag it up. On some installations that won't be an arrow, it'll be well, I can show you what it will look like. On some installations it looks like this, two vertical arrows, and that's a two-step process. You click it and then you click where you want it to go. But on this process I can actually click and drag. So I'm going to click and drag the hot potatoes quiz and drop it with the other level 4s. Develop your own strategies, so it's there. Now you can see that the original assignment is still there and there's a link for the quiz. If you've already graded some students, then I would suggest that you just hide this with the eye. Hide the original assignment. That means that the students will maintain the grades, but it's no longer active. If you haven't developed any grading for that particular course assignment, then I would delete it using the delete button. So let's put the level 4 using applying maths is now there instead of the original assignment. A couple more things just to check. We need to go into the grades section. Then from the grades section, using the choose an action drop down, we just need to select the simple view on the categories and items section. As we scroll down, you should see that the hot potatoes quiz is now in the correct place, the level 4 using and applying maths. What you need to do is just on this line with the hot potatoes quiz in it, scroll to the right hand side and choose the edit button for that particular link. We just need to make sure that we change the grade item, the grade display, instead of it being default real, needs to say letter. That's the bit that changes the grade from 100% to achieved. Scroll down to save the changes. I've now logged in as a student to show you the benefits of using these quizzes. If we scroll down, we can see that there's a hot potatoes quiz there. So the student could click there to take the quiz, or at the right hand side, the activities block, all the quizzes are there. So we can click on the hot potatoes quizzes and there's the quiz. To take the quiz, the child simply clicks the link and then works through the quiz. I'm just going to go through this very quick. I'm now at the final question, so I put the answer in. Oops, got that wrong. Put the answer in, click on check, and then my score was 95%. We click continue. The child can then use the grades button to see their grades. I'm now back in the teacher view and I can see the grade book. If I select this student's grades, we can see as I scroll down to the level 4 section, there's the quiz that it was achieved. It's now marked him as achieved based on the score that he got. If I select that link as the teacher, then I can actually look at the student's grades, and if I click the actual link, it takes me into what that particular pupil scored and how they scored, showing you exactly what answers they gave. In the first question he put in the correct answer, so scored 100%. In the last question I got it wrong to start with. I only put 5 in instead of 54, so my score has been graded down to 75%. But overall that was still enough to achieve that outcome.